How to set the safe box. Uncover the keyhole. Unlock by override key. How to power on. Push forward the cabin cover. Take out the cabin and install 4AA alkaline battery. Align the connector with the spring inside, then install the cabin. Note: lock the safe by key if unlocked by key. Cover the keyhole. Factory setting: any finger can unlock the safe. Push the door closed holding on for 3 seconds. Default master passcode 123456. Push the door closed holding on for 3 seconds. How to set user passcode. Press the setting button once. Enter the current master passcode, then enter dash key. Now enter the setting menu. Follow the instruction by voice prompt. Click 1. Enter new user passcode, then enter the hash key to confirm. Twice. New user passcode is successfully registered. How to set fingerprints. Click 2. Put your finger on the scanner. Scan your finger for 4 times. The fingerprint is successfully recorded. How to clear off the fingerprints. How to set master passcode. Click 4. Enter new master passcode, then enter hash key to confirm. Twice. Master passcode is changed successfully. How to set unlock way. Click 5. Click 1 under common mode. Click 5, then click 2 under security mode. Click asterisk to log out. How to initialize the lock. Press the setting button for 5 seconds. Release until beep, beep, beep can hear. The lock is initialized successfully. Install the cover. Setting is completed.